FreeReels password reset, how to recover FreeReels access. Now, if you basically lost your FreeReels account and you want to recover the access, to tell you, the FreeReels app actually does not use a traditional standalone password system if you signed up via third-party providers. So the only way you can actually sign in or log in or create an account on FreeReels is by syncing with your linked Google account or Facebook account. Now, to do so, after you launch the app, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then from the very top, you can see it says guest and then it says sign in. So you want to tap on the sign in tab. And here you can see there isn't a traditional email and password that you would have to reset it. So the only thing you can do is sign in with Facebook and sign in with Google. If you forgot the password to your Google or Facebook, then that is a different matter on resetting for each of these platforms. But the FreeReels app itself does not use a standalone password system. So only thing you can do is sign in with Google or Facebook, continue and select your account and confirm the login process. That way you will be able to recover your FreeReels access. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.